walang galang sa inyo. Lumayos kayo dyan. Ang blue, meron ng 42 points. Ang yellow naman may 41 points. Lamang na naman yung mga blue. At isang number na bumulaga sa text pad. Abangan nyo ang iba pang numbers. Mimia.
Siyempre naman, boss.
Mimia, di ba?
Siyempre, Mimia.
Okay. Bato, pick.
So what you think about that and taking my possessions and all of my clothes? I'm leaving a note which says adios.
Dino. Paayon.
Gaya
Galing
talaga.
mga lalaki. Jose.
Adios.
Hey, Wally boy. Wally.
Shut up. Why you blabbing so much? Don't you know that I'm trying? All the talking and no action is only
Hey, what's up?
lead to no satisfaction. Went to the
Yeah, with
club,
myself.
looking for some action.
Hey, the ball's running. Hey, where you going, Brad? Where you going?
Just getting some balls.
Yeah, okay.
Looking in your eyes into my big surprise. You said you wait.
Who's that?
So I jump in the cab and I said,
I'll get you a partner. Okay?
Yeah, you get my partner.
How about, mamaya ka na kaya makipagchismisan dyan. Pumunta ka na kaya.
Is that my partner?
Yeah, it's your
Okay,
partner.
partner, take a bath. You again?
1, 2, 3. What? 2. You don't like 3? You don't like 1?
Okay, I'll change.
You like 2?
1.
No, 2.
okay. Enough of all the boom. Why you gotta hate when I'm trying to make millions? Going around.
Go, Pia.
Bitching, hoping and wishing that I won't make hits and
Go, Pia, let's go.
Partying and drinking.
Come on.
Hating what the hell we thinking.
Come on, let's come on.
Everybody's listening. Whether talk good, bad, or even talk shit. And no MC doesn't even come close.
Are you ready?
Hey, you know that, man? Okay.
Okay.
When I cross
Ready?
the street, ready?
Okay, ready? Go.
Pagkain! Hindi! Tao! Hindi! Bagay! Hindi! Lugar! Hindi! Patay! Pangyayari? Hindi!
Pwede.
Ulitin ko. Tao! Hindi! Bagay! Hindi! Lugar! Hindi! Pagkain? Hindi! Ay. Hindi pwede tao.
Oh, category ulit.
Ulitin mo ulit. Okasyon? Hindi.
Yan. Sige, malapit na. Ulitin mo.
Tao? Hindi. Bagay? Hindi. Lugar? Hindi. Pagkain? Hindi. Hindi tao. Multo?
Yan. Malapit na.
Kababalagan?
Hindi.
Katang-isip? Hindi. Kinakain?
Oh, no.
Hindi. Aray. Di pagkain, pati di pagkain, di
Hindi kaya na bulungan ni Pia to?
Walay! Okay. Hangin ba
Walay.
to? Hangin! Walay! Walay. Tao. Ito ba yay?
Ano?
Multo, espiritu!
Oh, yan. Tama.
Tumatawid!
Yan ang magiging ikaw. Pagkatapos ito.
Hindi ayop!
Espiritu ka na lang.
Oy! Ayop! Yan! Oo! Isda! Hindi! Huwag kang tumawa, wala na oras! Huwag kang tumawa at ikaw pinagtatawanan dito. Ito ba yan? May feathers? Hindi. May balahibo? Oo. May balahibo? Oo, inulit pa, oo. Apat ang paa? Oo. Unggoy? Tigre? Lion?
Isa kang kanggat. Kup.
Oo, bata.
Kailangan ko nagsinela. Sinumpakan mo pa ako.
Ingay.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo talaga to si Wally.
Okay, ang mga babae naman. Gladys. Cindy.
Siyempre naman. May show ako mamayang gabi.
Sa lugaw.
Sir, Circle Green Hills. Kasama ko si Alang Kay.
Hindi ka ba nagsashow sa Lugaw Republic?
Prime time. 4:30 a.m. Prime time.
Prime time, 4:30 a.m. O, Bunot, Cindy.
Sit you down, call you my love. Like, I wanna be with you, cause you're everything I'm dreaming of. But do you dream of me and you in the sheets while you get
1, 3. 1 or 3?
Choose.
1.
Sama na tingin mo sa akin. Ano pa hinihintay mo? Sige na, balik na o. Jimmy o. One?
Opo.
Okay, one ha? Ayaw mo lang 3 ha?
1 po.
You got me hunting, running like the running man. Keep it old school, to kiss me locked to you. Open my doors, call me love, sent off a white velvet. Got your love above. And I remember the very first time we met. I was looking, haven't found someone like you yet. That's why I know in my heart.
Hey, ladies, people!
Wake up every single morning with you to kiss ya and squeeze ya. If I ain't with you, I know I miss you.
Hey, you party people! Come on, raise your hands!
You know I can't say
2 hands, please.
cause I'm reminiscing about the time to get it up on my cause it is old.
Oh, Jim, ready? Cindy, ready?
Ready po.
Go.
Go. Tao.
No.
Tagalog.
Aha.
Hayop.
No.
Lugar.
No.
Bagay.
No.
Category pa.
Pagkain.
Yes.
Is it for dinner?
Pwede.
Lunch.
Pwede.
Almusal.
No.
Lechon.
No.
Sinigang.
No.
Adobo.
No. More.
Madaling araw mo, kumakain ako dun.
Is it like a small dish?
No.
Is it
Ayan
a
o,
big
ayan o.
dish? Kasama ng kanin?
Yes.
May sabaw?
Yes.
Nilagang...
Pwede.
Nilagang manok?
No.
Nilagang beef?
Yeah. Pwede. Pwede.
Tamarind?
Ano yun? Nasa beat na? Nasa beat?
Tamarind?
Hindi.
Sinigang?
Wala ito.
Balik ka.
Chicharon?
No.
May sabaw?
Yes.
Wala.
Monggo?
No.
Lalo lang naguguluhan eh.
Nilagang beef? Malapit na dyan.
Malapit na, oh.
Ayan na,
Come on, Cindy.
nagbubuo na yung mga tao.
Come on.
Nilagang baka?
Yes. Cindy, go.
Nagsasaya na si Pare Jimmy, oh.
Nilagang kalabaw?
Bilisan mo.
Bulalo!
Mapapanood niya sa Star Talk. After Saturday, Bulagaya na, oh. Mga kapuso, oh. Daming ispas, oh. Ganon. Bulalo na kuha ni Cindy. Ano siya, bakit? Magaling din, matalas din ang pandinig, eh. 157. Ano na? Bulagana. Bulalo na.